Hey there, reggae lovers. It is your host, G. Cole, and I'm coming to you with some amazing Reggae Month fun facts. This segment is brought to you by our amazing sponsors, Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and Jamaicans.com. Now let's get into these fun facts. Let's go. Ever wondered about the word reggae? Reggae, the biggest thing right now to have come out of Jamaica. In the 1960s, there was a shift. The evolution was taking place. We're coming out of the ska era and into the new era of what would be known as reggae music. And first time that word was actually used, the way it's spelled by us right now, was actually by an amazing rocksteady ska group by the name of the Tennors out of Kingston. They had a song called Reggae Girl, right? And that's the first time that word was used in a song title the way it is spelled right now, Reggae. However, another amazing group, Toots and The Maytals, released a song in 1968 through Trojan Records called Do the Reggae, but it was spelled Reggay, right? And both of these groups are amazing, having their impact on the music, on the culture at the time. And it was just that era, that time when the music and the landscape was changing, and reggae, as we know it right now, was being birthed. Right? But history shows the first time that word was used in a song title in the spelling that we use today by a group called the Tennors, right? And they would go on to make a lot more musical history with songs like Ride It Donkey and a whole lot more, right? And again, like I said, much love and big ups to Toots and The Maytals, an amazing group. Rolling Stone has Toots actually as one of the top singers of our era, of this generation, right? So amazing groups, amazing contributions. They had that song called Do the Reggae in 1968, but theirs was spelled Reggay, whereas the first time the song reggae appeared in the title of a song, and the way we know it right now, Reggae, was by the Tenor. So congratulations on that one. Another fact. And there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mind-blowing reggae facts. Courtesy of Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and the Jamaicans.com. Stay tuned for more amazing content. And also, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share. All right? Thank you.